Things to make out of clay. The best air dry clay ideas that are easy to make. Air dry clay is a fantastic craft medium and we can make so much from it. Shape it, sculpt it, and really have fun with it. Let the air dry clay dry fully, and then I mostly paint mine with acrylic paints and then varnish and seal. This tic-tac-toe board is a fairly easy project and great to give as a gift. If you'd like to see any of these projects in any more detail, I'll link the full videos in the description below. When making more structured pieces from air dry clay, I like to use an armature inside, and this is simply some wire or some tin foil, aluminium foil. So I make the basic structure out of this to give it some strength, to then go on and cover this in the air dry clay. Many items around our home are really useful for working with air dry clay. You don't need anything fancy, like a simple table knife or the spoon that I used there. So if you'd like to make a little character or a sculpture, this is a great way to go about it. I let it dry fully and then paint with acrylic paints and varnish. I like a lot of my air dry clay projects to be quite practical, and so this bird isn't just a bird, it's actually a matchstick holder, and you can do this with many of your pieces, make them into a practical item. I had a lot of fun painting these with all the lovely details, and these two would make really lovely gifts. I love that when we make something handmade, it's completely unique and nobody else has one. This little dish that I made from air dry clay was another inspiration for my next project, and I wanted to create that little mouse in 3D. Using wire and tin foil as the armature, but also on this occasion some polymer clay, with the body of the mouse being air dry clay. I absolutely loved making this piece, and it was more of a challenge making those really thin parts, but it did work really well. Please take a look at the full video if you haven't already. Back to another practical item, these gorgeous tall vases, which are really easily made in this way. Roll a coil of air dry clay, insert a dowel or a pencil, and use this as a rolling pin on the inside. This is my absolute most favourite way of making vases, and if you haven't had a go, I really hope you do. I neaten them up, add a base, and then let them dry. I also have videos where I waterproof these, so please take a look if you want to use these for real flowers and put water inside. Air dry clay is also really lovely for making small pots, and so I made these small miniature pots, and I will be making other pots like this on my channel very soon. So it's about rolling out slabs of clay, cutting them out and placing them together to create these beautiful pots. Once made, the fun part is definitely the painting and creating these into the most unique of pieces. Watch out on my channel soon where I make some more of these. If you're enjoying my videos, please do subscribe. If you have some leftover pieces of clay from any project, they make great little trinkets, or as I'm making here, a beautifully unique necklace. Cut out many different shapes from the air dry clay, let them dry fully, and then paint them all beautiful colours, varnish them, and then add them to keychains, earrings, magnets, necklaces, everything. After going really small with the clay, here I have 5 kilograms of air dry clay, which I'm making into a giant dish. I love to challenge myself, and I hope you do too, and this was a challenge to make something so big, but it turned out really well. I think perseverance is the key, just keep going and work with it. After about a week of drying, I'm now able to sand my air dry clay. I took my time and really therapeutically painted this, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. A great centerpiece for our table. So really do have fun with your air dry clay, get a pack and start creating. You can make so many different things from it. Here I'm making some Christmas ornaments, and in this video I added some air dry clay dust, and that became our snow on our little ornaments. I do really enjoy painting, so I often add lots of painted detail to my air dry clay pieces, and I make lots of ornaments at Christmas time, including these lovely bears. These bears went towards the Christmas tree festival at church, and my little tree came second place. Really happy about that. Air dry clay kits are also available, like this modelling set. This utilizes the Das air dry clay wood, and I've used this before on one of my other videos and shown you how I like to use it. So there's so many options available when it comes to air dry clay, and I say just pick up a pack, have some fun with it, and see where it takes you. Over here on Red Rockingbird, I have so many tips, tricks, ideas, projects, and inspiration all around air dry clay, and I hope you will take a look at some more of the videos. This video is not sponsored, but thank you to Das for sending me this kit and the other air dry clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next creative video.